The meaning of this proverb: when you choose to marry a woman who already has a child, you are not only committing to a partnership with her but also to becoming a caregiver and role model for her child. Building a strong and loving relationship with both the mother and the child is essential for creating a harmonious and supportive family unit. It is important to approach this responsibility with patience, understanding, and a willingness to listen and learn. By showing respect, compassion, and support to both the mother and the child, you can create a bond that will enrich all of your lives and create a loving and nurturing environment for everyone involved.